Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nurse Kate and I'm your very academic thoracic nurse. Thank you so much for always staying here. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you are new subscriber, you're welcome. This is a channel we talk about heart health, nursing and nursing care. So you're welcome. Today I'll be speaking about family emergency kit. Yes, I'll be speaking on family emergency kit. As Nigerians, we don't have a special number that we call here. Okay, so and in one way or the other, we have faced one health challenges or the other, and we might be a bit stranded on what to do. And this video is just to encourage us on what to have at home for some emergency situation as a family member in our household, what we need to have. So I will be going straight to what are the requirements and the things that we need to have at home, okay, to face some health challenges. Number one of it is to have a personal nurse or a personal doctor's number, so that this person will be able to guide you on what to do and what to apply immediately. So, and when you have that number, especially if you have a family member that is dealing with one ailment or the other, such as hypertension, diabetes, cancer, or any kind of chronic disease, let the family member be aware of that number that they can call in case of changes in such person's health status. So, number one is the number of your doctor or a nurse, and let the other part of the family member know about such number. Number two is my blood pressure machine. Please, I'll go for that. Blood pressure machine is very, very important to our household. Okay, so if any member of the family is also having diabetes, I will also encourage them to have a blood glucose test machine at home as well. So you are expected to have ORS, that's oral radiation solution. Okay, is affordable. I'm going to you to have it at home in your emergency kit. I want you to have a pain relief such as paracetamol in your emergency kit. I want you to have what we call gauze pack in your family emergency kit in case of any wound. Okay, and also have antiseptic solutions such as iodine to be able to clean the wound and disinfect it. I'm going to have such in your emergency kit. I want to have cotton wool. I want you to have what we call gauze, okay, to arrest any kind of hemorrhage in case of bleeding, okay, at least to do your own first aid before you go to the hospital. And as well, I will still encourage us as a family, especially a young couple, you can have what we call condom in part of your family emergency kit. We can have what we call emergency contraceptives in your family kit. You can have emergency pregnancy test kit also in that part of the kit. You can have a loratadine tablet in case of maybe food reaction, itching, okay, or protein tablet in your emergency kit. You can have glove. It's very, very important in case someone is bleeding. Okay, you must have glove. You want to attend to someone's wound, so it's expected of you to have glove. Instead of you to have what we call activated charcoal in case the train in the house had accidental swallowing of all these solution chemicals, and that is how you can arrest it immediately till you get to the hospital. So activated charcoal is expected to be in your family emergency kit. Okay, what other thing? Yes, you can have fire extinguisher. Okay, you can have glucose tea because someone is getting tired, is weak, maybe have a low blood sugar. Okay, you can have that at home. You can have a blanket to arrest fire incidents, okay, at home. So I hope this will help someone and the family, to prevent them from, and also to help them from minor emergency that might happen at home. And don't forget, number one, have your personal doctor or your personal nurse number to call, because we don't have 911 or 122 to call here in Nigeria. So thank you so much for watching my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Please click the subscribe button, subscribe. I normally upload here 2 weeks, maybe on Mondays. So please stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to get all your family kits ready and prevent your family from any harm that can occur as health challenges. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.